never done this before, sit down there on the back of our truck. It definitely had some intense backwards movements. So Alex, what is the plan this weekend?
So we brought the truck up again, obviously, and we also got some new tools that we're going to use to clear the road.
Mm-hmm.
So that's pretty much the plan.
So we have, it's almost fall, it's a lot colder now. We have probably 4 to 5 more weekends, would you say?
Yeah, the lady said that our neighbor who we just met, which is awesome, said that we have till December till the snow comes, but I am skeptical. So.
Yeah. So this weekend we're gonna clear the bottom road and get our truck all the way to our first campsite, the campsite we were camping at for the first half of the summer at least. And then our goal by the end of 4 to 5 weeks is to ideally get the truck all the way to the lake, because that will be where we want to build our first cabin. So there's going to be a lot of stuff, a lot of work, but let's stay optimistic and you guys will see whether we achieve that goal or not. But yeah.
Yep, lots of stuff to do.
Yeah. Okay, let's get started.
So guys, what you see behind me, it's wood. And it's not really in our way, but we just bought this super cool tool and I want to use it. So
What's the tool? Huh?
let's see.
And then we're gonna go, what's this called?
A lopper.
I'm gonna go loft some stuff.
What I have here, folks, is a chainsaw. So just to warn you guys, I've never used a chainsaw, ever in my life. So, a little bit scared, a little bit freaking out a bit. So, at least from the manual, from a cold start, number 1, this is the brake. And then, alrighty folks, so, brakes on, brakes off. Well, this is pretty crazy.
Pretty awesome, eh? That was cool. How did it feel?
I mean, it felt powerful. Yeah, I think it's going to be pretty useful.
That could cut a human.
Oh my god, yeah. I'll see if I can start it again easily enough. Oh, the switch is not. These guys, called whoppers, remember he's been killing it with them. Basically, put the branch between there, snip. So we're gonna take down this big guy here.
Yeah, it's surprisingly like really strong.
So you can
Way better than the machete.
get a little shot. Man,
There you go.
like a whole little mini tree right there.
Yeah, see that?
I was trying to hack away with our amazing, well, now I realize it's not so amazing, but our $35 machete. And if you can see, There's something wrong with the blade right there. Yeah, I don't think blades are supposed to do that, really. Yeah, but it's a little unusual, gotta say.
We'll be driving the truck on the road every weekend, so we figured instead of getting branches stuck in it and having a bumpy ride, we'd clear things up a little bit.
So, Anne-Marie behind me is cleaning up some stuff, and I'm gonna go ahead and chainsaw because tag teaming is better.
So we realized we're running out of time. So what we decided to do is Alex goes forward, he chainsaws the big stuff, and I'm gonna clear the road with the lopper. That's what the name of this new clipper we got, and then keep moving behind him. Last week we were driving up to the beaver pond, which is the upper road. We cleared that road with a brush hog and machete since there were many living trees in the way. This week we're clearing the lower road, which follows the river all the way to where we typically camp. It's mostly clear, but there's a few big trees that had fallen that led us to buy this chainsaw. Building a real road is going to take a while, as you can imagine. So our first objective is to get the truck in to bring materials for a small cabin. We're still searching for the best site for the cabin, but we have a vision for a lakeside getaway. The biggest problem is there is a long way to get there, over 2 kilometers from the main road all the way to the lake, and we don't even know what will be the best road to get us there. With this road clearing project, we're just starting with something easy for us newbie city people, slowly transitioning into official bush people. Haha, get it?
Sound like a madman. And it's hard work, even though the chainsawing itself, the saw's doing the work. But like moving the logs out of the way, and I just sectioned up this big hardwood, and man, is it like incredibly heavy. And this is a huge freaking job. And it's getting pretty dark, but hopefully the path is clear-ish. Oh, and I'm beat.
We tried our best to get everything done and worked until dark, but the truck didn't make it all the way to camp, unfortunately. After a hard working day, there isn't anything better than to relax by the campfire. Next weekend, the goal is to get the truck to camp. Thanks for watching.